In this video, we will discuss about businesses that can help you earn money online. The businesses has its charm, but it also comes with its challenges. Starting a business or any sort involves hard work. Digital space lets anyone earn money online, but one need to apply some basic business principle. Provide what is required by the audience was the basic principle that we all know. Staying consistent with that idea and growing it in different ways is unknown. In the online space, consistency is the key. You get to earn a lot of money one day, but it might bring you a loss the next day. Keeping up with the losses and working hard on those matters the most. Before leaping on what business online, let grabs different ways to earn money online. There are more than 30 ways to earn money digitally. We are here we will sprinkle you attention to the top 5. The first one is trading. Trading is the something that require a bit of your investment. You can earn money online through this if you invest. The second one is YouTube. YouTube earn money more than $1 million from YouTube. Yes, it is possible. Anyone can make money online from YouTube if its content is right and entertaining. Freelancing. It is a fun way to make money online. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn let you earn money. Some people make 15,000 USDT just for one post on Twitter. Google AdSense. This is the method to earn money online without any initial investment. Google Ads is the advertising platform that you can register for free. Recent surveys on AdSense shows that Google pays 68% of its ads revenue to its publishers. Each year Google pays $10 billion in its publishers. SEO consultant. SEO is the technique where you can help a website rank on the Google search engine. For becoming an SEO consultant, you need to know all incomes and outputs of search engines. Having technical skills on a platform like Google Ads and Google Analytics is compulsory. With SEO consultants, many small businesses can increase their online conversion rates. Google algorithms are variable. They keep on changing. Therefore, SEO consultant needs to update themselves. Check the below pointers before starting the SEO consultant business. Keep the idea of your search page ranking. Acquire a new and different customers. Make records of organic traffic. Work more on increasing your brand awareness.